this one in particular, this isn't what I originally came up with. I'll be using 2 acrylic powders by iGel Beauty, Radiance and Clear, and then I'll be using this glitter polish by Modleones, and it's so sparkly and pretty. I'm pretty excited for this 3-day series, and I'll explain more while I'm doing this design, which, by the way, turned out beautiful. Hey NailTubers, what is up Nailification Squad? And if you're new or even here from Linda's channel, welcome to Pick Your Color. My name is Tommy and I'm a licensed nail tech. After working in salons, I decided to share my love for nails here on YouTube, so I hope you enjoy today's nails and you consider subscribing. And while I talk, I'll make comments here and there to explain things about the set. Just like when polishing, a clear layer of acrylic protects from staining. It also gives a layer to file down to without damaging the nail bed when doing another set. So this collab came about over the summer when Linda at Mature Sass spontaneously decided to do a 10-day summer collab. She does mature fashions, lifestyle, and vlogs and opened it for anyone to join. Unfortunately, I missed the opportunity. Then she announced this fall collaboration, and this time I wasn't gonna let it pass me. Today marks the fall equinox, which is set to take place over a period of 3 days when the sun crosses the celestial equator. Now, I'm not sure if this is the reason Linda chose 3 days, but that made me sound so smart, didn't it? So with this, there'll be 2 more nail designs coming tomorrow and Friday. I'm excited because this one in particular, this isn't what I originally came up with. I did like this outlandish, gaudy, Egyptian-like design, and I remember DMing Linda saying, hey, I'm already coming up with my ideas. But then eventually something kind of hit me like, girl, you doing way too much for this. Tone it down, tone it down. Then I came up with something simple, classy, and easy. All acrylics aren't made with the same composition, and I always suggest to practice with various brands and types. For instance, if you can see, this has a subtle gold shimmer to it, and its consistency was a whole nother ball game. You'll see me go in with drier beads each time, but as I worked it, it got more liquefied and sticking to the brush. I'm not sure if this is the case with all shimmer powders, but let me suggest here to wipe your brush more frequently to keep it clean. Besides, it couldn't hurt, and it keeps you in good practice too. Then I decided to let the bead just do its thing and to keep it from denting, and that worked a little better. So yeah, I think this brief series of Linda's fall collaboration was a great idea, and I really enjoyed doing these designs. Oh, and if you're from her channel, first and foremost, I thank you for being here. And if you've been enjoying this today, remember to hit the like button and maybe leave a comment so I know you were here. And if you're from my channel, I also encourage you to check out Linda at Mature Sass. I really enjoy her channel very much, and I'll have a link to her in my description box. And yeah, I was saying that I truly enjoyed this for even more reasons. For one, because I decided to do acrylic, which gave me more practice, because it's been a while since doing nail services before starting my channel. For two, this was that opportunity for me to do solid color nails, which I've talked about a few times. Then I did different lengths to satisfy everyone's preferences. And I just love the simple yet elegant designs, throwing in just a touch of my style. So the clear top layer is, again, like a top coat layer of polish for protection and shine. And it also leaves room over the color layer to file down when shaping, which filing isn't included. And we go right into a brief showing of doing the design and top coat. And remember to come back tomorrow, which will be an olive green nail design, and on Friday, which will be cinnamon. Each design is beginner friendly and easy to follow. I was going to leave them matte, but after thinking about it, I felt that glossy would bring out the shimmer much more. What do you think? Because I love them. You might also like these polygel pom-pom nails I just did, so consider checking them out. And I'll see you in the next one. Much love.